Do you think that their concept of reading, that what does reading mean, is clear?
Students are in hurry, they just don't leave the space, they start attempting at that.
So please note it, very, very important. Otherwise, your rest of all the answers shall go waste.
Yes. The use of ballpoint, they are forbidden it strictly. Please underline the thing that you think that is important. Try to read passage only once.
Yeah.
You don't have time to read it for a second.
Excellent. Suppose if something is left, so leave it.
Leave
now.
it, yes. But the only thing that you keep in mind is not to get nervous.
Yeah, no nervousness. You mentioned, Mr. Tasawwur.
Yes.
Tasawwur was your senior over here.
Yes.
And for your kind information, Mr. Tasawwur has left for the UK.
Yes.
He's a very intelligent guy. He's a very respectful.
Very hardworking.
Yeah.
First humble.
Yeah.
Last thing is he was very hardworking. The students that I have seen here, he was the most hardworking one.
Yeah.
He used to say that your concepts are clear.
Yeah.
I'm not from that kind of schools.
Yeah.
And I am weak in English and I have to study hard. And he used to study hard.
Yeah.
He used to ask me questions and each and everything in my inbox and in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And everything before without hesitation.
True.
And the day when I was at PD one day before the test,
Yeah.
so I was worried that I have not brought the passport with me.
Yeah.
Although I applied on the ID card basis.
Yeah.
So I contacted him.
Yeah.
That you have already delivered the test.
Okay.
I haven't brought my passport with me.
Okay.
Although I have applied on the ID card basis.
True.
So he told me that there's no need to worry.
Okay.
They only check document that you have applied on.
Yeah. Excellent.
So that was the point when I was mentally cleared at that point.
Excellent.
Otherwise, I had that tension in my mind.
True.
Whether it will be okay or not.
So he proved to be, that you can say a relieving factor.
Relieving
for you.
factor.
Yeah.
Although I remember I asked you,
Yeah.
but to be honest, I was not convinced.
Yeah.
As the person was recently given the test
True.
2 days ago.
Yeah.
I again asked him.
Very good. Excellent, beta.
Mr. Tasawwur participated in our discussion session. The session where the concept of marriage was discussed in detail.
So, yes,
So he participated very effectively, that his ideas were very brilliant, You are of the point of view that this ceremony should be celebrated in a very simple way.
But we have to make some things easy for others.
Excellent. And his younger brother, Mr. Hassan, joined me a few days ago. He is also very intelligent.
He's simply immaculate, but the way he performs during the whole course, all of his 19 classmates learn a lot from him. He, in a very short span of time, has become a role model for all these IELTS aspirants.
He's a role model.
the one thing that I like to mention, that I have seen most of the students and my batchmates, they used to run from the discussion topic.
Yeah.
They are very hesitant. Believe me, when it was my first day, not first day at institute, but first day on the discussion topic.
Yeah.
And sir asked me to introduce myself.
Okay.
And I said, I am Hassan Nawaz. And kept quiet.
Yes, you went mum. I don't remember.
Yes,
you went mum.
remember. I didn't know what to speak next. And within 2 to 3 days.
Yes. I think you were also there in that marriage discussion.
Yes, I was there.
And you talked so logically.
And
The boy you talking about that who came only once in your presence,
Sawan.
Mr. Sawan. He was very intelligent. Dr. Umar was over there, that, and so many other people, and that couple was there,
Also there, yes.
Mr. Umar and his wife,
Abdullah.
Yeah. Really, this is very, very important point, that it's we to develop the habit of participating in discussions.
Discussion, yes.
That is a discussion which gives you a lot. See the last question. You're sitting over here at this platform.
for the preparation of the IELTS test, you spent
45 days over here, and you have scored mashallah 7 bands. We are humans. I am human, that even the students who come over here for the same test. Any idea which you would love to share that if we follow that, it shall be beneficial for me, and it shall even benefit the students who come over there. Any ideas for this platform that if Mr. Rafi does that, there shall be that improvement, and it shall be more beneficial. And same is the case with the students who are studying over there nowadays, and the students who are likely to join.
Yes.
Any idea from your side, please?
So first of all, I'm never in a position to.
No, you are in a position. You are a achiever, mashallah. You are a star.
Second, before my test, I also used to say that to you that when we come, I don't know the schedule nowadays.
Yeah.
But when I was student here, it was the academic students and other students,
Yeah.
and students before us.
True.
And when we came at our time, suppose it was the 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And they were before there at 8 p.m.
Okay.
8 a.m. Sorry.
True.
So when we came at 10 a.m. and it was almost half an hour.
Okay.
For that was spent in that time, the discussion at that time.
True.
Although you did it to just to involve us and give information to them, or
Yeah.
just to give confidence to them.
True.
But that half hour was,
Yeah.
I must say, but it was kind of wasted.
Yeah,
because
true.
we didn't learn any new thing
Yeah,
at that time.
excellent.
I know your schedule is very tight.
True, but I can understand. Yeah, it makes sense.
It gives a little bit of loss.
Yeah.
Because if half an hour we can access the 2 to 3 tests of the students,
True.
IELTS students.
Yeah.
There are many times we didn't have time at the end.
The same thing is happening even nowadays. That what happens by the first class is that language, English language class, that. And some students come only, for the language purpose, So their class commences at 8:16 and it is supposed to end, that by 9:15. And the IELTS students are required, to arrive exact at, that 9:16, and they are expected, to leave by 10:15.
But what is happening these days? That I continue with the language class exceeding its endpoint. And meanwhile, the IELTS aspirants join us at their prescribed time. And I try to involve both classes in some fruitful discussion. But I do agree with you that they might think that their time is being
Wasted. But now I am doing that if think like that, so no, what happened, because I have no other class after 10:15, so I continue with them.
Yes.
For your surprise, what happened that I assessed the test of all of the students today. They were I think 14 to 15 in number, and their class was over at 11:35. At 11:35, it means that 1 hour and 20 minutes I had to spend just to address their point, which is there at the back, and it happens over there, but it's a great idea.
I'll try to strictly follow the prescribed time in the days to come.
Inshallah. Note that I am very busy. That after that there's the classes of competitive examination, PMS, CSS, judiciary, and so on. So. But any other thing which you want to say? Anything else? No.
The second point regarding the students.
Yeah.
The students, first I will say about the test. When you enter the speaking test,
Yeah.
the room of the speaking test.
True.
The only thing that you keep in mind is not to get nervous.
Yeah. No nervousness.
No nervousness.
Excellent.
There might be a point they ask you a question that you don't know. You are unable to make the sentence.
True.
Then don't get nervous at that
True.
point. Just I'm so sorry, sir, I'm not able to make the sentence.
Excellent.
It didn't happen to me, but happens to some students.
True.
But I have seen the interviews.
True.
So they just keep quiet and you just go on, just keep the thing in your mind, and the rest of their
Excellent.
interviews get spoiled at that point.
Excellent.
And in
True.
the listening test, the listening test, there are some points where one answer is asked given before the previous one,
Yeah.
and the previous one is given next to that.
Yeah. True.
Don't think that the next answer is given, I have skipped the previous one.
Yeah.
If you keep that thing in mind, I have skipped the previous one, you won't be able to answer even that point and also the next one.
Yeah, excellent. It means go with the
with the
video.
flow. Understand what they are saying.
Excellent. No. So suppose if something is left, so leave it.
Leave it,
no.
yes, sir.
And don't please think about that.
That
if
one,
you
yes,
keep
sir.
thinking about that, you will be unable now to
to
attempt the next one.
last one.
Excellent, beta.
And in the reading task,
Okay.
I think that is the point you have the least amount of time.
Yeah.
Try to read passage only once.
Yeah.
You don't have time to read it for the second.
Excellent. Yeah.
It 1 hour is much of time to say about only 3 passages, but
Yeah.
when you start reading them,
Yeah.
and you have also read the questions, the consecutive at the same point.
True.
Everyone has his own way of
True.
reading. I read questions side by side. With
Okay.
passage.
It's true.
The one thing that is a positive thing that if there are questions that are being asked, they are asking sequence.
True. Yeah.
If the question number 1 is from passage one.
Okay.
Then the 3 might not be, and the second is from second. The
Yeah.
third might not be again from first.
Yeah, in sequence.
That is the
no.
plus point.
Excellent. You will not have to go back to the
Back to
previous
the point.
passage,
Yes,
paragraph.
yes,
I mean,
sir.
yeah.
And try to understand the passage when you are reading for the first time. You may spend 1 or 2 minutes more at that point by reading it cleanly.
Yeah.
But if you read it again,
True.
you won't be able to understand that thing.
True.
And please underline the thing that you think that is important.
Yeah,
It's for God's sake, it's very important thing.
So that is actually what is the whole paragraph about. Oh, this is the paragraph, or this is the sentence.
Important dates, named by the person,
Yeah.
important thing, the invention that are creating, anything, just underline it. When you
The key points, no,
when you will
excellent.
read the question, the thing automatically will click to your mind.
Yeah.
You won't have to search that, read the paragraph again to get to that point.
True.
That is the point.
True.
And the use of ballpoint. The use of ballpoint,
Yeah,
they have forbidden it strictly.
true.
Totally asked. Yeah, totally
Lead
asked us
pencil.
lead pencil.
Lead
Use lead
pencil.
pencil.
Yeah.
So students, they are.
So it means we should develop the habit of using that lead pencil over
students,
here.
they
Yeah.
use ballpoint.
Yeah.
And everything. Lead point is also a plus point for us. We can
Okay.
do everything and get
True.
it for time being in the writing passage, not
Yeah.
in other things.
True.
We don't have time to correct other thing.
True.
We have to go with the flow.
Yeah.
If you skip anything, you will skip the rest.
Excellent.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah. So sorry. Actually, there are a few ideas again that clicked in my mind. Now, before that answers, which are transferred on the given, that answer books, or answer sheets,
The one thing that didn't happen to me, I was seen to write student, but it was my university exam, and I was attempting. It was total MCQ based.
Yeah.
I was attempting that paper, and I read the question paper. There was a question and that I didn't know the answer.
Yeah.
So I skipped the next question.
Yeah.
And I read that I wrote the answer. The answer is C.
Okay.
And I didn't left the space at that point.
Ah.
The point is that keep the question number and answer sheet in
Yeah.
the
For
sequence.
example, if you don't know the answer, not to 2.10, so please leave
Leave that
space.
space. Students are in hurry. They just do not leave the space. They start
Excellent.
attempting at that.
So please note it. Very, very important. Otherwise, your rest of all the
All
answers shall
answers
go
wrong.
waste.
Yes.
Excellent.
Everything
No.
was wasted.
Very
So
good.
that is the thing that was in my mind. And
true.
Students are used to ballpoint. There will be
Okay.
no ballpoint because ballpoint they also take gel pen and they
Yeah.
are used to that. They move and flow.
Yeah.
They have smooth tip and but
True.
pencil we have to apply that. Get used to that thing.
True.
It is a plus point in writing test that if there is something you think that sentence can be made in a much better way.
Yeah.
You can erase that thing and just
Eraser is available over there.
They
Yeah.
even provide it by themselves.
Please, very important, very important. So read actually. The concept of reading, whatever we the people have over here, now that most of us students, do you think that their concept of reading, that what does reading mean, is clear?
Sir, honestly, I think not. It's not clear.
Because they think that reading is some sort of activity that you open the book, you have a look and you run.
Done, yes, sir.
Reading means, I think, comprehension.
Comprehension.
It's a name of comprehension. No? As you're reading my face right now.
Yes, sure.
So we read so many things now. So please, concept of reading, it should be
Comprehension.
excellent.
If you're
It
not
should-
able to comprehend, you won't never be able to answer answers.
Excellent.
Answers are not straightforward.
True.
Even if there are almost 7 to 8 questions from that part, only one question will be straightforward. It will be must be of date or any personality.
True.
Rest of all the questions are confusing and
True.
not confusing. I must say we are not used to that kind of reading.
Yeah, excellent.
It's not confusing at all.
True. So you have planned now to study abroad. So which country you're going to, I think, study in?
So I have selected UK.
Okay.
In UK, the university that is most close to England.
England, excellent. So we wish that best of luck to our beloved, that your friends and my spiritual son. Wish you best of luck. May Allah Almighty be with you wherever you are. May you prosper throughout your life. May you be able to serve humanity at large, indiscriminately.
Inshallah.
So thank you very much for giving us time.
Thank you very much, sir.
So nice of you.
Jazakallah.